All right, folks. Let us elevate our 22-inch Weber grill, 22-inch Weber grill, into a wood burning stove. All right, so I got a little bit of charcoal going in my starter, and for the recipe, I'm gonna use just 2 planks of firewood. These are just regular old firewood. I think they're mesquite. So I am going to be grilling a rack of goat ribs. There is nothing medieval. There is nothing as good and medieval as goat ribs on wood. Elevate your game with charcoal, but then you elevate that charcoal game with firewood. All right. So a layer of my charcoal goes down there. Looks good. Now I'm just gonna use this to start because I don't like and the wood just goes right on top of it. There we go. Now I use this kind of method because I don't like the taste of fire starter. Sometimes newspapers will take a while. This is cool. Start some charcoal, throw some firewood on there, and we are on the process of getting us a wood fired grill. Look at that. Flames are leaking. Man, elevate your game. Shrimp, chicken, fish, you name it. This is the way to go. All right, I got here a rack of goat ribs. Full rack, not cut, salt and pepper. That's it. We're just gonna keep it really simple, salt and pepper. We are concentrating on the process of cooking goat ribs on firewood. So your key here is time, time. It's gonna take your firewood some time to burn out and become embers. You don't want to put your meat right on a flaming fire.
Hey, Sally. Hey.
Anyway, I got time. Let's do this. All right, looks good here. We're gonna flip this. Nice wood burning stove. Oh, this is nice. I love this process. Kind of elevates your game. Just a little bit. My game needs elevating. Elevate it with me. All right, the grate goes right on top there. We got a nice burning wood fire. Clean that. Make sure you clean your grates. Folks, one of the biggest mistakes I see when grilling, a dirty grate. Clean your grate. I think we're ready. Your meat goes right on top. Here's my recipe for goat ribs. I'm just gonna sear it on both sides on high heat. Give it a good sear. It's flaming. Then you get all that wood flavor in it, the burning wood in it, the smokiness in it. So I'll do about 2.5 minutes on one side, flip it 2.5 minutes on the other side, take it out of the fire, away from the flames, cover it, and just let it cook in a covered grill with all that smokiness for maybe another 20 minutes or so. There we go. Flip this guy. Got a nice sear on that side. There we go. We're gonna sear this side another 2.5 minutes or so till it's nicely charred. And then we're gonna move it away from the fire and cover it and cook it. Ah, that looks good. That is just quintessential medieval cooking. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Nice sear. You don't want to cook it directly on the flame because it'll dry out. Alright, let's cover this guy. Alright, been cooking about 10 minutes on the side. Oh, smoky, smoky. Look at that. So whenever you cover the grill, of course, the flame kind of dies down and it just cooks with the embers. It's kind of like an oven function that goes in there. So, oh, this looks good. It's been about 10 minutes. You can put it back on the fire, open up the grill so that some flames start licking, which is going to happen any minute now once the oxygen hits the ember. There we go. And I think we should be done. Oh, these ribs are done, folks. Let's give it a taste. Oh, these are done. Whew.
Here we go. This is good. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Your grill can turn into a firewood cooker. Cheers.